I'm always drawn into this stone. This, according to the seller, this is a 20 carats natural oval yellow sapphire at Sri Lanka, a Ceylon sapphire. But the color that I can see here is more of a pink orange. That's why it's really confusing if this is a yellow sapphire or some other kind of gem. What can you observe? Tell me your insights about this stone. You can help me observe this and check on the quality, and I want to know if this is really a yellow sapphire or some other kind.